Hey everybody, Terry Arbor here. Making this video on how to play Broken by Seether. My son's trying to learn it and we live apart, so we don't have very much time together. So basically it's done in a drop tuning, but I'm doing it standard tuning. I'm going to play it, let you hear it, and I'm going to go over how to actually play the song. Okay, real pretty song. Alright, it starts off, I'm going to call this the first string, and this is the sixth string. We're going to start off on the first string, second fret, and the fourth string, second fret. And we're going to hammer on with our third finger onto the third fret on the first string. So you hit the fourth string and the first string at the same time. And then you hammer on. Okay, then after you do the hammer on, you hit this string. So hit the second, third, first. So that's the first part. Then we go to this chord, which is the third fret. Yeah, I'm doing it myself. That's it. Okay, so you go to the third fret, first string, second string, fifth string. And all these have got a ring open, so you got to make sure you get these two in the middle ringing open. What I do with this hand is I put my thumb on the fifth string, first finger on the third, second, and then first. And what I do is I kind of arpeggiate the chord a little bit. I just don't strum it. I do this, just because it's more prettier. You just peel your hand off of it, like that. Then you do two sets of threes with this, and you keep this hand up here stays the same. You do two sets of threes. After you do the little chord, you're gonna do this. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the third, second, first string, and then the fourth, third, second string. But in between these two sets of threes, so here's 1 3. That's one set, and here's another set. In between those two sets, you're going to have an extra string right here. So you're going to go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. So pull off. The way I play it with this hand is I pull off and I go 1, 2, 3, transition string here, that one string, and then I use my thumb and these two fingers I go. Then it goes back to what we already played. Then we go to the D chord. And this is just a standard D chord. Got my second finger on the second fret, first string. My first finger on the second fret, third string. And then my third finger is going to the third fret, second string. It's a D chord. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting with this finger up. And we're going to hammer it down. But we're also going to hit the open D string. So we're going to do a hammer on here. Open D string, which is the fourth string, and we're going to hammer on with our finger. Then we're going to hit the second, third. Then we're going to put our pinky down on the third fret, first string, and we're going to do a pull off. So it's you do the pull off and then you hit the second string. So then this whole thing repeats. there's a timing issue there. It sounds different, but it's the same thing. But there's a pause in there. It goes pause. Then the other part of the song, it does it a few times. You have to listen to the original. Then you're going to go to the strumming part of it. It's really easy. You know how you hammered on this one? You just pick that finger up, and you've got your first chord of the strumming. It's a D chord. I hit it about 3 or 4 times. Then you're going to go to this C chord, which actually may be a G chord. It's a C chord, a standard C chord, which is 1st fret, 2nd string. Put your first finger. 2nd fret is going to be your 4th string, and the 3rd fret is going to be going to use your pinky on the 5th string and your 3rd finger on the 6th string. I forget the name of this chord, but it gives a real deep sound. That's your other chord here. And then finally just the E chord, which is all on the 2nd fret on the 4th and 5th strings. So the way it sounds when you put the chords together. I'll do a little bit of muting here, just to give it a little bit of percussion. Is the chimes on the 12th fret, bottom 3 strings. You can strum it, or you can. Gives a real good effect. Then you go back into your. Anyway, hope it helps. Hope you get it. Leave a lot of comments below. Ask questions. It's a great song. Good luck with it. Thanks.